So right here we have 1 cup of hot water. I'm going to put a few cloves into the water like this. Orange into the water. We're using 1 medium-sized orange. Half a lemon into it. All right. Fresh ginger. This is some turmeric. Inside of it, this is some bay leaf. A little bit of the powdered turmeric inside of it. Okay? Yeah, man. We're gonna put a few peppercorn into it. All right. Ingredients will be in the community on my YouTube channel. You guys can see. Yeah, man. Get rid of the cold out of your gut. This is what you want to drink. So we're gonna turn off our cooker. Copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success, available on Amazon. So right there, we pour it off. Use a spoon and squeeze out that liquid. Cayenne pepper. All right, we're gonna put some cayenne pepper in it. Right. Here it is. Black pepper. All right, black pepper is good. So we just pour it off now. Good organic honey inside of it. 1 teaspoon of organic honey. And a slice of lemon. Wow. Now, drink this 2 times a day for 5 days or 10 days. Can you imagine how you're going to feel? What's going to happen with this an amazing, incredible recipe? Now, if it is something you like, please leave your comments and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes, people. Let's enjoy this beautiful drink this evening. All right? Yeah, man. We're going to taste it and see how it tastes. A good vibes.